if you are going to connect your trust wallet with any website, so before going to connect, you must watch this video till end. Yes, this is very informative for you. It's maybe you are going to use phishing website and your fund will be lost. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. Today we are going to connect our trust wallet with 3 DeFi website. The first number is that SushiSwap, second QuickSwap, third BSwap. So all information in one video. So please must watch this video till end. You can see here my trust wallet is open in front of me. First you open your trust wallet. After that you log in your wallet, and then you can easily connect your trust wallet with these websites. First of all, I am going to open SushiSwap. Yes, SushiSwap. SushiSwap. Swap. I think some, yes, yes, available here. Now going to open. Yes, you can say SushiSwap is open in front of me. This is the official website. Before going to connect your trust wallet with any website, you must cross check you open original website or you are going to use phishing website. If you connect your wallet with phishing website, so your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. I'm going to click on this website because I want to connect. This is a DeFi website. I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you. I'm just giving to method. How can you connect your trust wallet with DeFi websites? Okay. All cookies you can see here. The main website is open in front of me, and there is Ethereum network. You can change your network from this option, which is you want to going to use. Let's suppose I want to use Binance Smart Chain. First I select it, and after that there is option available here, connect a wallet. And now many wallets is available here. I just need to connect my trust wallet with SushiSwap wallet. Simple click on it. Now my wallet pop-ups open front of me, and waiting for this. When it's opened, I authorized connect my trust wallet with this website. Yes, you can see here all information is available here. Viewing your wallet balance and activity, sending request for transaction, and don't allow move fund without any permission. Okay, that's fine. Click on connect, and now connected my trust wallet with the SushiSwap, and you can easily swap. You can swap, let's suppose BNB. Swap method is very easy. Let's suppose you have a BNB and you want to change with USDT or Bitcoin or any other coin. It's depend on you. Let's suppose I select BNB, enter the amount, and let's suppose I want to send 1 BNB. So I will receive in USDT $678. And you can also check the fees from this option. All information over here. Price impact, maximum received you will receive, and minimum received means only $4 to $5 will be charged for swapping. So it's depend on you. If you want to swap, so you can use this options. So now we are going to our second website. First I need to check the setting. You can see also available setting here, and your account is here. Before and after, properly check you have selected correctly website. And now when you work is done, you just simple click on disconnect button. Your account is disconnected from this DeFi website. Now I'm going to click on or open second website, QuickSwap. Yes, first we have covered SushiSwap. Now we are going to select second website, QuickSwap. In one video I have covered 3 websites, so this video is very informative for you, and this video is especially for beginners who want to use the trust wallet. Launch app, right top corner, and now the system is loading, and your right top corner you can see here the connect a wallet shown here, your right top corner. Also main interface is shown here where you can swapping connect wallet. sorry, first you need to select the network. I select the network from this website, Ethereum. Yes. Now click on connect wallet and I agree. It's maybe take some time, and after that your wallet will be connected in this website. Okay. So this video is going to lengthy, so I'm going to open my third website. Okay, going to third website. Just close this website first of all, and I'm going to open third website, BSwap. This is our third and last website where I can connect my trust wallet. Yes, you can see here BSwap. Just simple close my existing. This visiting and yes, this is a you can see here. This is a phishing website, means your fund will be lost. So keep in your mind, when you're going to connect your wallet, you must cross check you have selected correctly website or not. I'm going to again click on it. This is right or not, otherwise I will leave this website and select other website. Now going to click on it, and it's maybe take some time. Yes, same options, means OKX wallet integrate multiple secured database to blockchain milestone. So I think I want to leave this. I will connect other website, any other website. Open coin market cap and open the DeFi. I just need to give 3 websites in this tutorial, so that I'm going to last one. It's easy for us if search from this option. The coin market cap is open in front of me. Bitcoin price is $80,000 plus. So where's I think my video is going too lengthy. I don't want to record lengthy video because some users not interested. So I think I have covered 2 website, which is one is SushiSwap and second is QuickSwap. I think enough for us. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. And before going to stop this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. Okay viewers, meet with you in new video. Bye bye.